TikTok coins are the platform's virtual currency that enables users to support their favorite creators and access special features. In 2025, this sophisticated system has become a key part of creator monetization. Coins allow you to send virtual gifts to creators during live streams, provide direct financial support, and participate in special platform events and premium content access. The 2025 pricing structure offers 7 different coin packages, starting from 65 coins for 99 cents up to 16,500 coins for $249.99. These prices are standardized globally, but may vary by region and include local taxes. On iOS devices, you can purchase TikTok coins using Apple Pay for quick transactions, credit or debit cards, and App Store gift cards for those who prefer prepaid options. Android users have even more payment options, including Google Pay, PayPal, credit and debit cards, and Google Play Store gift cards. This variety makes it convenient for users worldwide to purchase coins. The web platform offers the most comprehensive payment options, including traditional credit and debit cards, digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, bank transfers in select regions, and even cryptocurrency payments through a pilot program in select markets. TikTok's coin system in 2025 offers flexible purchasing options across all platforms, making it easy for users to support creators and engage with premium content. Whether you prefer mobile apps or web browsers, there's a convenient payment method for everyone. TikTok provides comprehensive refund policies to protect users when purchasing coins. Understanding these policies helps ensure you can recover your money when issues arise. For accidental purchases, TikTok offers a 48-hour window to request refunds. This covers situations where you accidentally tap the purchase button or buy the wrong coin package. Technical issues receive full refunds with no time restrictions. If TikTok's payment system malfunctions or you experience app crashes during purchase, you're entitled to complete reimbursement. Unauthorized purchases undergo comprehensive investigation. TikTok examines account activity, payment methods, and device access to determine if purchases were made without permission. TikTok implements multiple layers of consumer protection to prevent unauthorized spending and protect user accounts from fraud. Spending alerts notify users before large purchases. When you attempt to buy expensive coin packages, TikTok displays confirmation screens showing the total cost and asking you to verify the transaction. Multi-step verification adds security layers for high-value transactions. Users must confirm their identity through multiple methods before completing expensive purchases. Two-factor authentication protects coin purchases by requiring both your password and a secondary verification method, such as SMS codes or authentication apps. TikTok has implemented stricter controls for younger users, recognizing the need to protect minors from excessive spending on virtual currencies. Users under 18 face stricter purchase controls. These include lower spending limits, mandatory parental approval for purchases above certain thresholds, and restricted access to premium coin packages. Default monthly spending caps protect all users from excessive purchases. These caps can be adjusted or removed, but require deliberate action and additional verification steps. TikTok adapts its refund policies to comply with local digital payment regulations, resulting in variations across different regions and countries. Refund periods vary by region based on local consumer protection laws. Some markets offer extended refund windows, while others may have additional requirements for processing refund requests. Enhanced transparency requirements ensure users understand creator revenue sharing and platform fees. This helps users make informed decisions about their coin purchases and understand how their money supports creators.